3 minutes until the line or till the doors open. We're gonna see how this plays out. What's good, YouTube? And those of you watching on Foxhole.com, it's your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker review. Hopefully everybody out there is having a blessed day, a great day wherever you are in the universe. It was a good day for sneakerhead people out there. Like, there's a lot of shoes that came out today. 3 in particular. One which we're going to talk about right now, which is the Jordan 1 Retro High OG Homage to Home. I'm sure a lot of you guys maybe seen reviews, early looks. But your boy Bossco finally got his hands on these. We're going to check these out up close and personal. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Of course, smash that like button, share the video. Let's try to get this video to maybe like 50 likes, 100 likes. If you guys like the video, smash that like button, man. I want to get these likes up. Let me know you guys are enjoying the content that I'm giving you. And I like the feedback you guys give me, so make sure you leave comments. Also follow me, Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram. All that good stuff is in the information description box down below. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get to these J's, you dig? As I said, boom, homage to home. These are a size 14, I'm a size 13, so these will be going up on the eBay, you dig? If you want yourself a pair and you are a size 14, I know not too many people are, but if you are, you might have yourself a chance to get these shoes from your boy. Bad boys right here, as you see. The homage to home, very dope shoe. I mean, it's a 10 out of 10 if you ask me. It's my first time really getting an up close personal look, and I love it. 10 out of 10, man. Like I just said, these are some of my favorite colorways of the Jordan 1s. It's crazy they came up with this idea. I wonder whose idea was it to do this, how they split it down the middle and give you 2 different colorways of Jordans. Let me know what you guys think about that, man. If you like this shoe, smash that like button. Let me get this bad boy out the box. Wow, bro. These are tough. These are fire, bro. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Let me go ahead and get this other one out so we can talk about both these things right here. I mean, this Jordan, of course you guys know the typical Jordan box, nothing special about that. But this Jordan in particular right here, this homage to home, man, is something else. They come with some red laces too. Start you off with the black laces, and they come with the red laces. Of course we're gonna get that up close and personal look at these bad boys, so you guys can get a detailed look at the stitching and the colorways and just all the materials that they looked and used. So if you are able to buy them off StockX or some other online website and you would like to see a close detailed look, something close to being in person, then hopefully your boy Bossco can help you out. And if you do, if I do help you out, make sure you smash the like button and let your boy know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this shoe though? Honest opinions, no flaws to me. I mean, the split up the middle is just so dope, man. So dope. And the leather is clean, plush shoe. I mean, just look at it. What else can you say about it? Red bottoms. One idea I had, but I mean, it doesn't matter. The shoe is still fire. But imagine if the split down the shoe went down the whole sole. That'd be kind of crazy, like maybe a black and a red. But nah, it's good like it is. Ain't nothing wrong with it. It's pretty much perfect. Let me know if you guys agree. Jordan 1 homage to home, very coveted shoe, man. I wasn't able to get my size, but I was able to get a size 13. If you guys watched the video I put out for the Rebels, the women's Rebels, it was a little crazy situation that went on in Shoe Palace. Instead of first come, first serve, there's some things that happened there, so hopefully they fix that system. Watch that video, let me know what you guys think about that in the comment section. Without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get it up close and personal, look at these, and just see what's going on, see who likes what, and I want to see all your feedback in the comment section, man. It's your boy Bossco. Smash the like button, share the video. If you are new to the channel, make sure you smash that like button, of course, I said that, and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be updated on every video I post. I update videos, I upload videos daily. I'm so excited about these things, man. It's heat. This is heat right here. Limited edition, you won't find these too much, so I'm excited. You guys gotta forgive me, man. Smash the like button if you are new, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. Without further ado, let's get to these highlights, you dig?
Street mixtapes, nigga.